Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up OpenClaw on a Windows laptop using local Mistral 7B model with Ollama and connect it directly to Telegram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own local AI assistant running completely on your PC. Let's begin. First, install Node.js. Go to nodejs.org, download the LTS version for Windows and install it. After installation, open command prompt or PowerShell. Then verify installation with these commands node-v, npm-v. If both commands shows versions, you are ready. Now install Ollama. Go to ollama.com/download/windows. Download and install it. After installation, open command prompt and run Ollama run Mistral colon 7b. This downloads and start the Mistral 7 billion model locally. Mistral 7b is a great lightweight model for local AI assistant, Telegram bots, coding help, and general chat tasks. Ollama automatically exposes the model locally at localhost colon 11434. Now install OpenClaw globally. Run this command npm install -g OpenClaw. Then verify installation by OpenClaw -version. Perfect. Now initialize OpenClaw. Run OpenClaw onboard -install -daemon. This sets up configuration files, gateway services, workspace folders, and auto start the system boot or login. Now check health with the OpenClaw Doctor and verify status with OpenClaw status. Now connect OpenClaw with the Ollama. Open the OpenClaw configuration file. Set the endpoint to localhost colon 11434 and set the model ID as Mistral colon 7b. Save the configuration file. Now restart the gateway with OpenClaw gateway restart. At this point, OpenClaw is connected to your local Mistral 7B model. Now let's integrate Telegram. Open Telegram and search for botfather. Create a new Telegram bot and copy the API token. Inside Telegram, generate the pairing token. Then approve it from the command prompt. OpenClaw pairing approve. Once paired successfully, you can directly chat with your local Mistral AI model from Telegram. No cloud API required. Here are some additional important commands to check gateway status, view logs, restart OpenClaw, fix issues automatically, open dashboard. A few important points. Mistral 7B runs well on many consumer laptops. More RAM gives better performance. OpenClaw is still experimental. Avoid giving unrestricted system permission to AI agents. Start small and test safely. And that's it. You now have OpenClaw running locally on Windows using Mistral 7B with Telegram integration. If this tutorial helps you, like this video, subscribe and comment below what AI content you want to see next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey everyone! If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me!